Today we'll discuss UV states. When the mobile or the UV is switched on, what all states it go through, whether it is connected or not connected, just switched on, not allowed to the network. So all the state I've explained here. We'll go one by one. Once the mobile is powered on, what happens in the power on procedure and how it gets attached and detached, that will have a separately differentiation. But for the timing, we'll just understand the UV states. So up the mobile is power on, it is an LT detached state. Basically we are having two states, detached and attached. So in detached, UV is detached, no IP address has been allocated yet. UV position is unknown, we really don't know where the UV is. It's just powered on and this is the stuff. Moving forward, when the UV is attached to the network, either it is active or it is idle. In the idle mode, the IP address is assigned to the UV. That means you are now allowed, you can do transactions. Then downlink DRX period is on, like it's an idle mode, so no receiving or transmission is happening. Position partially known, that is an TAC or TAL level, tracking area code level. Maybe we know the position, so that's why partially the position is known, that is UV idle mode. Then when LT is active, like LT idle mode, when LT is active, when we are in a transaction mode or in a communication mode with the network, we are having IP address assigned. Definitely we should have an IP address before in any communication with the network. UV connected to known cell, we know the cell level presence of the UV because we are already connected, so the transmission and reception is happening. So we know the IP address and connected to a known cell. Then we are having two different steps here when in connected mode, like out of sync and in sync. In out of sync, the downlink reception is possible, means we are transmitting something from the inode V. No uplink transmission allowed, because when you are transmitting in the downlink, you are just receiving that. In sync, like the downlink reception is possible and the uplink transmission also possible, that is in sync. So the difference between in sync and out sync is only the uplink transmission is possible in sync. Out of sync uplink transmission is not allowed, only downlink is available. So that's it for today. Thank you. Thanks a lot.